All right, y'all. He got another ray. He got another ray. Look at him. Look at him now. 10 years old. He got another ray.
3-0.
3-0, y'all. I just done caught the first one. He got a truck this time. Diesel truck. Let's see what he gonna do. Look, let me get a good shot. Let me get a good shot for y'all. Y'all see him? Yeah. He barely see with the steering wheel. He putting in work though. I think he get the back tire now. Head up, I guess, or he might get the hit. I don't know. On the light. On the light, y'all.
Gas on it. A little bit, not much.
All right, y'all. Hey, they going again, man. They going again. The truck, he getting the truck the back tire. He getting the truck the back tire this time.
Now they head up right here.
Head up. Oh, okay.
Got the back tire.
Oh, okay. Head up. My bad, y'all. This head up. Head up again. So we about to see what happens. I don't even know what this thing is, y'all. What is it? Let me see what it is. Oh, okay. All right. 10 years old. Let's see what he gonna do this time. He got him again, y'all. He got him again. Oh. He got him again.
Yeah, he got the back tire. Honda got the back tire.
Honda got the back.
Honda got the back tire.
The Honda got the back. He taking out all the daily drivers today, y'all. There's a special feature right here. He taking out all the daily drivers. 10 years old. He's gone again. He got another one. He got another one, y'all. Another one. Look, y'all, I told y'all, I did it. Did the driver now. Y'all didn't believe me. Did the driver. They who been killing everybody out here today. So, like I said, now they talking about getting on the truck right here. He trying to get on the truck. Here we go again.
in the back tire. We ain't getting with nothing. He stayed with the back tire, we stayed with the back tire. We ain't getting with nothing, nothing. Bag up. We ain't trying to take no L.
No, they had now they sell me those.
Sure, he ought to be beaten. Hey, see y'all.
After 60 feet, it will be.
Hold on, roll you up. When you get up and start hard, you can't do nothing. Hold up.
Let the tire in.
Stall the horse.
Man, come on. That's scary, bro.
Truck finally got him, y'all. Truck got him.
Started my foot, car.
I started driving, I was about 10 years old. I was driving about this age, but